Welcome back in our tutorial video. Our next tutorial is about control structure for looping or iteration. So an example of looping or loop is the while or the while loop. So the while loop syntax is the while. We have here the keyword while, then we have the expression, then the loop body, then we have here the statement 1, 2 up to statement n, then we have the counter. So the functionality of while loop is simply to repeat statement or statements while the condition set in expression is true. Okay, so let's try in our C++ program. So we have here the basic structure of our C++. So we have we will declare ctr is equal to 1, then while ctr is less than 10, then our loop body will be for example cout ctr, then our counter ctr is equal to ctr plus 1. Okay, so execute. Okay, so the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so how to simulate this one? So for example 5, execute 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to include 5, you have to put an equal. So compile and run. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so to simulate this program, so we have the simulation, and we have the output. Okay, so ctr is equal to 1, crt is equal to 1, crt is initialized to 1, then while crt, our expression crt is equal to 1, is it less than equal to 5? So if it's true, then we will execute the body of while. So cout ctr, so the output is 1, then ctr is equal to ctr plus 1. We will increment the value of ctr. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then end of program or end of looping. So we have to go back to the while and check the expression. So if ctr is equal to 2, is it less than equal to 5? So ctr is equal to 2, less than equal to 5 is true. Then we have to execute the body again. So cout ctr, which is 2, the value of ctr. Then ctr plus 1, ctr now will become 3. End of loop, then check again the expression in our while. Then 3 less than equal to 5 is true. Then Cout CTR, which is the value of 3, increment CTR, so it will become 4. Then end of loop, go back to while statement. So CTR less than equal to 5, so 4 less than equal to 5 is true. Then it will display 4, then increment CTR by 1. Then check the expression again. CTR less than equal to 5 is true. Cout CTR 5. Then CTR is equal to CTR plus 1 is equal to 6. Then end of loop, check again our expression. 6 less than equal to 5 is true. Then, or false, I mean to say. So next is return 0, means end of the loop or end of the program. So next we shall have some debugging of the program. We will implement some problem. So for example, we want to make the output to have space between numbers. There you go. Then for example, we have end L, so the output will become a vertical alignment of our CTR. Okay.